Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Yema custard. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need 6 egg yolks, 1 can of condensed milk, and 1/4 cup of evaporated milk. Also, have 1/4 cup of melted butter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract ready. Ensuring all ingredients are at room temperature helps achieve a smooth, consistent mixture. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delightful dessert. Now, let's craft the custard base. First, whisk your 6 egg yolks until they are light and creamy. Gradually pour in the entire can of condensed milk, mixing thoroughly. Next, stir in the 1/4 cup of evaporated milk, the 1/4 cup of melted butter, and the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Cook this mixture over low heat, stirring constantly for about 15 to 20 minutes until it thickens to a rich consistency. Achieving the perfect consistency is key for delicious Yema custard. You'll know it's ready when the mixture thickly coats the back of your spoon, leaving a clear trail when you run your finger across it. The custard should be smooth and free of any lumps, resembling a rich, thick pudding. Remove it from the heat immediately once it reaches this desired thickness to prevent any scorching and maintain its creamy texture. Once your Yema custard is perfectly cooked, it's time for cooling and serving. Carefully transfer the hot custard into a clean, heat-proof bowl. To prevent a skin from forming on top, press plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the custard. Allow it to cool completely at room temperature, then chill it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. This ensures a firm, delightful texture, ready to be enjoyed as a sweet treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.